All right, Junksters, so hopefully you have a system that enables you to record leads. Here's why it's really important. A lot of times you're going to get calls and they're like, oh, okay, well, I can't, thanks for the information, I'll give you a call back, and you can't save it. Use the caller ID to record their phone number. Even if you didn't get their name, we put it in the contact center in the lead section, just no name, phone number, and what they were looking for, what kind of services they needed, whether it was a hot tub removal or, whatever. We put it in the notes what they needed. We try to give them a call back within 24 to 48 hours and just check on them. Hey, this is Melissa with Junk Doctors. You and I chatted the other day about your hot tub needing to be removed. How are we looking? Do you still want us to come out and give you a quote on site? A lot of times, actually, it does lead to appointments and money. So, use whatever system you can to record leads because you can give them a call later and you still might be able to get an appointment with them.